Welcome back to Ingua News. ARP leaders, including Cecilia Rodriguez and MLA Cruz Silva, visited Penchim police station over a complaint against MLA Jennifer Montserrat for allegedly pushing Rodriguez in Odshell. Police said inquiry is on and action will be followed within 24 hours.
लॉ एंड ऑर्डरची परिस्थिती अशी जाल्या अशें आसून जर डिग्निटीज आयल्या कारणान जर पुलीस स्टेशनां फंक्शन जावपाक शकना जाल्यार कित्याक जाय आमकां ते डिग्निटीज म्हणजे फाटले जर 3 दिसांनी मर्डर जाल्लो जावं आनी कितें जाल्लें घटना अनपेक्षीत घटना घडलेल्यो जाल्यार कितें जावपाचें पुलीस स्टेशन म्हणून तें फंक्शन ऑर इज इट दॅट MLA इज इन्वॉल्व एक पंच मेंबर इन्वॉल्व म्हणून हें चल्लां इट इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन विच आय थिंक पीपल ऑफ गोवा शूड डिसायड फॉर हिमसेल्फ ताणें आमकां आज एक अश्योरन्स दिला within next 24 hours he will initiate action and act as per law, including intimation to disaster management who have refused to come there. Deputy collector पयले दिसा जेन्ना उदक व्हांवतालें तेन्ना आयला तेच्या मागीर डेप्युटी कलेक्टर थंय आनी परतो पांयूय दवरूंक ना मामलेदारांनी थंय पांय दवरूंक ना खंयच्या ऑथॉरिटी थंय पांय धरला कारण रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट कम्स अंडर होम ते तुमकांय खबर आसा आनी दॅट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कोणाची ती तुमकां खबर आसा. सो रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट इज नाव फॅमिली ownership of a minister, and that is why disaster management is also not taking action.
In spite of evidence being there and evidence going viral, people have seen, the police have seen, no action has been taken till now. Being a common citizen, if I am faced like this, I can imagine how other citizens who are afraid to come to the police station will be facing. This is why women do not want to register molestation cases. This is why women do not want to register rape cases. This is why wives do not want to register when husbands are abusing them. This is the reason. And here आमचे आमदारांनी माझे हात घातला when I have not even spoken to her and when I have not even addressed to her. So this is the situation when an elected representative with frustration raises their hand, whether the punch member is acting as a bouncer or whether the MLA thinks she's the new Gunda or Gundi whatever of Talegaon and Goa and she's raising her hand on citizens to show, "Oi, koron this asila, I have raised a hand," or she openly sangta. So this is a shame that आमचा होम मिनिस्टर आमची BJP जे सांगता की बाबा बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढाओ असली बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढाओ when a woman who's educated is standing and voicing up when illegalities are happening in Talegaon, land filling, field filling, hill cutting zata, they are criminals, but we are called as criminals. Amka buy dollars as victims. To see Goa reach this stage is a shame, and who has elected these people are, you all very well know. BJP Sarkar has been ruling now from 2014. Now we are in the second term again, and this is the paristhiti. I don't know what will happen in the future, but we are not going to keep quiet. We are going to fight, and whatever illegal activities that the people have done for the people of Odshell, because Odshell people are the sufferers at the end of it. We will fight for the Odshell people.
3 दीस जाले आतां कांयच एक्शन जावना म्हणून हांवूय बेलनी सांग पेंजीम आयलो. आतां तुमचो येयलो आसा सकाळीं आमी भितर वयता आसतना आमकां हाडयले फकत वयता जाल्यार 4 जाणां वसाय म्हणून पण आमी सांगलां फकत 8 जाणां हय आमी फकत एन्क्वायरी करपाची कंप्लेनाचें एक्शन कितें जाल्लें कितें एक्शन घेतलें. सो आफ्टर मागीर जायत्या वखतान प्रेशर घालून आमकां इनवॉल्व केलें पूण आमी थिंगा आन्सर मेळ्ळा कितें 3 दीस ते बिजी आसले वायस प्रेजिडेंट इंडियाचो गोंया आयलो म्हणून आनी आमी आतां मुखार तेजी इन्क्वायरी चालू आहा.